Nice. We'll be starting in just a couple minutes. Welcome everyone. Good morning, my friends. Coming at you 6:29 a.m. West Coast USA. Let's jump right into the charts. No time to waste. I hope you're all doing well. Sometimes it's fun to just jump right in. Krispy Kreme donut up on the pre-market. Of course it is. Oh, and we're open. Boom. Let's go. To the moon. Had the trading though. What a day yesterday. That was awesome. We're expecting good things again today. Grayscale Altcoin. 2260. Betting was going up after hours yesterday. Let's go, Grayscale Altcoin bulls. Betting bulls. Show them how it's done. Show them pirates mean business. Open with a boom in the green box. It's been a while since we've been in the green box. $23. We haven't been back here since September, October, November. 3 months. It's been this low for 4 months. Add an extra month there for August. 23 flat. Nice. Fake netting. Some of our long scalps, let's call them. Chemocentrics. Looks like it's going to 44 after all. For the Bears, tough luck. For now, for the moment. Let's see. Oh, it's under 40. That one's actually a challenge. Yeah, so that's funny. Krispy Kreme donuts opening big. It's a nice green day yesterday. This is looking like the bottom on it. If anyone cares, I don't know. Krispy Kreme donut, not that exciting. I think I'd rather do long ding dong now with Krispy Kreme. Ding dong. Finally hitting a small speed bump there. Oh, not going straight up. Ding dong. Every second. Nice to know, seatbelts. Captain is not good for landing. HP workdown. Yeah, purple print. Purple puts printing nice and good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Minus 25% purple today. Woo. Where are Bears traders at? Flatty 420, just Revenant, G4, Strunk Randy, Tomas, David Stevens, Beetle, Slow Smith, Hornet, Robert, Safe Pop Culture, Yo Easy Bro, Gizmo, Spartan Fitness, Sweet, Mr. Nimbus, Grimata, JD Party Hat, Mike For Real, Vitaly, Grizzly Giant, Tamagato, Sisters Farm Now, City Country, Hut Matt, Nerdy Dork, Vader Stock, Amco, Just Revenant, Eastside, Radio Beats, Christian, Not Bored Enough, Billy Carr, LCRD, Old Salty Dog, Mike Nixon, Base Potato, Supernova Girl, Chloe, Smoke Kurt, Kelly, Charles Calloway, Azina, Sean Connery, nice. Good to see you all. The Bulls are getting smoked on this one. Bulls get wrecked, purple Bulls. There are none. There's no such thing. That's why it's down 25% right now. Who the fuck would be bullish on purple right now? Look at that chart. That's brutal. Just straight down for months. Especially today. Especially with that. Look out below. $10 support. That's the bearish target. $10. Like it. Oh, this one. We're setting sail on purple. Those bears. That's a ghost ship. They don't even know what hit them. They don't even know we were there. Just making a quick 25% to the downside today for the purple bears. No big deal. Yeah, big deal. That's pretty fucking savage. They got in at 25, now it's down 15. Sorry, tanked 45% from the entry of Bearish Scout. CCXI under 40 again. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. The chop on Chemocentrics is real. It's having 5% chops every fucking minute. Now it's back under 40. Let's check Metin. Metin started cooking up after hours. It hit like 72 cents before we even ended the show. Okay, wow, all the way back down to 60. Well, whatever. Not a big deal. So if you missed it, at the end of the day after the bell, Metin hit 72 cents. After hours was going up. So it's looking like a nice strong opening, but it's actually opening negative 12%. It's opening 12% to the downside. What a sham. A bunch of BS. We all know Metin, there's no reason for Metin to go down 10% instantly out of nowhere today. That's just some panic selling bullshit. Nothing to worry about. Okay, SOS, that's way more control. SOS got wrecked there. Okay, that's hot, baby. This has gone, SOS China stock has gone from a nice entry accumulation to a hot bevy.
Hot damage.
Direct share offering on Metin, SOS offering as well. What is this shit? I hate that stuff. They need to fuck off with doing all that every day. If only these companies would fuck off and let the stocks do what they want to do on their own. The actual market pressure, instead of intervening every fucking week, diluting their shares and screwing over investors. But that's the stock markets for you. Welcome to the stock market. Gizmo already snatched up the dip on this one down here. Interesting, man, yeah. We'll have to keep it on the radar still as time goes, but hopefully you realize we've seen this before, that one last shakeout, that one last hard test of your emotions. It's not testing your stop loss right now, it's testing your emotional willpower. Are you brave enough, savage enough to be able to hold through a ride like that? Because it's essentially trying to bottom out at the real support, like so. So the reason we're keeping an eye on it up here was to see if we would get nice continuation on that support trend line. Nope. We got a savage bear trap, so now we're gonna go for a bounce. We're gonna see if this thing will bounce from this area going forward. Get right back up to that old area it was yesterday. $2 instead of $1.50. Gets back up to $2, it's right back on track. That's our plan going forward on it. It didn't break out yet. It's gonna take some more time, looks like. But hey, that's an even better entry. So if you liked it and you're waiting for a nice entry on it for a few months all year long, actually going down, 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 this is looking like your chance, really. Under 150. If it gets really ugly, I suppose it could stop hunt $1 flat as well. Hit like 97 cents and pop back up. It's just a brutal bear trap right now. Brutal shakeout. That's what's going on it. Just be aware of that. We don't care so much what price exactly it's going to be bouncing from. Just understand that it doesn't have to stay down here very long, so if you're able to tough it out, stick to a plan. It's huge target still. We might have to reevaluate that now that they did some kind of offering and whatnot, but I'm comfortable calling it a $20 target, so that's pretty huge nonetheless. From $1.50 to $20 long term. Best case scenario, really, but that's what people like about it, is the huge targets on it, being that's a Chinese stock. Becky's up 900% on her purple puts! Oh man! I should have went all in YOLO FOMO purple puts, huh guys? We all just should have went all in purple puts, apparently. Like 9 times your fucking money. Imagine if you were all in that, you just made 900% on purple. Great job. She messaged me yesterday like I may be getting in over my head with all these crazy trades I'm making. I was like, I fucking love it. Somebody's gotta be the savage. Somebody's gotta be a savage and show the men how it's done. So while we're on the topic of Chinese stocks, nice, Evil Toro, congrats as well. She's up 700% on purple puts. It's ridiculous. That's why we did it. That's what we're hoping to get, CCXI puts, but it's so shaky, so indecisive here. The purple one was nice and smooth, just down every week. Some of them were so worth it. Activision Blizzard puts, I think got wrecked too the other day. BBIG puts, that was very worth it as well. Those are big profits people made from these things, from $8 down to $4. I tanked 50% as well. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna change that someday. Try not to fall in love with it, even though I love it. People have been telling me ever since I first made the channel that, yo, you probably shouldn't have golden AK-47s on your logo. Oh, really? I'll probably end up changing that at some point, guys, just because I fucking love it. These are badass pirates with pinpoint accuracy, golden guns, one shot, one kill. But that's not gonna fit everyone's casual retail investors who are just trying to learn. It might not be the most family-friendly image for mothers out there who are learning the trade or whatever, right? I didn't expect it, I don't know. I didn't expect we'd have such a large female audience. Shout out to our lady pirates, fuck yeah. Set sail. Lady pirates. They know the way. But that's where we're at. That's just where we are. So we have such a diverse community, all ages, all genders, all races, all countries. Ah, Kelly likes it. Okay. I love it. I like it very much. I think it represents what we do perfectly, but yeah. Not trying to scare anyone off. Doesn't understand. Everyone in the chat loves it. Yeah, once you start making money, you love it, don't you? It doesn't mean much until you start making 700%, 900% on your purple puts, and then you're like, fuck yeah, gold gun. We're all about sniping them at the right opportunity. A family crest. That's the Denwo pirate family crest. Well, I might make one, that's what I'm saying. I might make some kind of family crest or whatnot. Yeah. Powderhound's not a fan. There's varied perspectives on it. You have to be in the know. You have to understand why that's the logo. So we're fucking crushing on Grayscale Litecoin because Captain bought Grayscale Litecoin right here. We sniped it 2 days ago, right before it went straight up 40%. That's why. You can't time shit better than that. That was perfect timing. That's how you snipe a trade. That's how you make money. Well, alright, now that it's ripping, let's do a quick number crunch. I forgot to show you guys. I was looking at this morning. Captain out late night, so alright. Fair warning, words of warning, we are gonna take a bit of an afternoon lunch break today, okay guys? Not for long, but we'll take like 30 minutes, maybe an hour, some point later in the day. Just a break, because Captain had a late night. I was doing crypto shit all night. I was charting crypto and trading and crunching numbers and doing all the research and due diligence pretty much all night, so I actually ended up not being able to prepare for the show today. So I basically did all that, fell asleep, woke up, here I am. I don't have food, I'm running out of coffee. So we're gonna go nice and strong for a few hours, and then we'll take a lunch break and we'll pick it back up towards the end of the day, get our crypto crunch nice and in there. Make sure we're good to go for our crypto crunch, because I don't want to leave it out. I want to spend some time talking about crypto after hours, so make sure we're all good to go. It's very rare that I end up doing that. The only time I take a break like that in the middle of the day is if I'm not ready to continue for 8 hours straight. I can go for 3 or 4 hours, but I'm not going to be able to go all day today without taking a break. I don't have any breakfast or anything. Just letting you know beforehand so it's not a surprise later. So I was looking at Litecoin this morning. Holy cow. It's a... What did we say yesterday? What did we say yesterday about Litecoin? We might wake up and it's $300 fucking this morning. Boom, $2.95. Remember yesterday when it was hanging around $250 all day, all morning? I was like, yo, don't be fooled. The markets are still ripping, even if they look kind of flat at the moment. Litecoin might be $300 by the time we wake up tomorrow morning. Guess what it is? So that's where Litecoin's at right now. Meaning, stars are aligned. Grayscale Litecoin. Grayscale Litecoin went up 25% yesterday, one day. Today, it's up another 11.5%. Therefore, just in the past 2 days, it's already up 40%, guys. We're killing it. So yeah, let's do a quick number crunch. Now that Litecoin's 300, actually, okay, I don't even have to because we did this yesterday. That's why we're getting crypto crunch in there after hours, because we were able to do this again yesterday. So we did crunch the number. Where Grayscale Litecoin is right now, this is the fair value yesterday. This is where it should have been yesterday. 2350. That's the number we crunched yesterday morning at 250 on Litecoin. When Litecoin was here, we're at 2350 fair value on Grayscale. Now that Litecoin's 300, the fair value is $27, guys. It should be at 27, not 2350. Now that Litecoin's gone higher, it's trying to get to 27. 20% further to go. It's looking to have just as big a day today as it did yesterday. Hell yeah. Congratulations. Oh, Kelly, I'm not touching mine. Not down here, my friend. Yeah, the Wild West of crypto's coming to an end, pretty much. That's why we're feeling good about this. This might be one nice big win for... It's gonna be harder and harder to find stuff like this as the years go on. It's already... There's stuff going on with Grayscale right now that's affecting all this. It is getting harder and harder. I don't know how, I'm not going to go into it too much. I don't know how much I want to say about it. I think I'll keep it brief. I had some pictures and articles and stuff. I'm going to keep it brief though, for now. Maybe we'll dive into it more after hours. Basically, all I'm going to say about it for now. They're trying to make the Bitcoin version, Grayscale Bitcoin. They already put in an application with the SEC and everything. They are trying to convert it to an ETF instead of, or EFT, excuse me, instead of... I'm already throwing myself off of how little I want to I don't want to confuse people with all the terminology and shit. Basically, what you need to know about it, it's all to do with the premium. Okay, so we're trading the premium on Grayscale Litecoin effectively. You can do that with Grayscale Bitcoin, but that's changing. They're changing that. That's the point. That's what you really need to know. So that's in the process of changing it. And interestingly enough, so the premium on Grayscale Bitcoin's actually negative right now. So you're actually getting more bang for your buck entering Grayscale Bitcoin than you are regular Bitcoin. So the premium, the NAV price, it hasn't caught up. They're trying to eliminate that, basically. They're trying to remove the premium, guys. Which isn't exactly a good thing, because we're trading the premium. I hope that makes sense. Probably made no fucking sense. That's why I didn't want to go too much into it. It's a big concept. The point is, they're trying to do it with Grayscale Bitcoin. They're gonna try and do it with Grayscale Litecoin too. Alright? So it's gonna get harder and harder to find trades like this. They're trying to make this trade more closely to the actual Litecoin price. That's what they're doing. They don't want it to be trading at a discount like that. Remember how we calculated the discount and you're getting more bang for your buck buying Grayscale Litecoin than you are regular Litecoin? They're trying to remove that. Which is weird, it's awkward, because they're saying, oh, well, it's a good thing, because that'll shoot the Grayscale price up higher, because it's undervalued right now. But we don't like that as traders, because we want the premium to go insane again. We want the premium to keep going up and up and up, no matter what the Litecoin price is doing. So if they remove that premium, that's going to be an issue. They're doing it on Grayscale Bitcoin, not on Litecoin yet. So really, the key there, we're hoping to get some nice profits out of this before that were to occur. They're gonna try and do that with all their Grayscale products. They're starting with Bitcoin. So next year, 2 years from now, they might do it with Litecoin. So they're gonna make it actually trade more equivalent to the regular Litecoin price. That's the goal. The SEC isn't letting them do that right now. It's too unregulated, they're saying. They're saying we need to figure it all out first. It's gonna take months before that were to actually happen. So they're in the early process of doing that with Bitcoin. Hasn't started on Grayscale Litecoin yet. So what I've been thinking is, even if that happens, so it's a bad thing. We don't want that to happen. We like how it's trading right now. We like what it's been doing. I don't want that to happen, because then it gets more standardized. It's not as volatile. It probably won't happen for a whole nother year or 2 years on Grayscale Litecoin. So the great part is we probably have a good amount of time still to ride it up, where the premium can keep going up anyway before that. Because the price of Litecoin is going to be going up no matter what, right? So until that actually kicks into effect, we don't have to worry about it that much. As long as Litecoin's going up, Grayscale Litecoin's going to be going up until all that happens later on. Maybe next year. Just something, I just want everyone to know that there's been a lot of news about it. They're doing a lot of filing with the SEC, changing their whole kind of structure to how the premium pricing even works to begin with. So it is going to change a lot over the years. What I'm hoping is it doesn't fucking matter. We're going to make stacks out of it before then anyway. Make our trade, and then we don't even care what they do with it next year, right? If we all make money on it, who cares what they do after that? It can still hit a giant target before all that happens. I'll show you the due diligence later. I don't want to dive into it right now. I wasn't planning on spending time talking about that this morning. But I have some nice descriptions about all that, some nice articles for you guys later, if you want to know more about that. And there's Chemocentrics 41s. So that's that. The put's not paying out right now. 45's next number on it. That's been a wild trade the whole way, up and down. There are people still holding shares on it, hoping it's gonna go higher target. We got bigger targets on every. Hey, CVM's going green. Okay, major green alert, CVM right now. Pirates. Yeah, I just wanted to touch base on that, Mr. Surfer. Glad that helped a bit. Because it's very confusing when you're just getting started. Even when I'm reading some of it, it's like, fuck are they even talking about sometimes? That's how intense all that due diligence really is on Grayscale. So let's not overcomplicate it, confuse anyone about it. That's all you really need to know is the Bitcoin version. It's going through some things right now. The Litecoin one, nothing's changed on it yet. Maybe in the future there will be stuff like that. Who cares if we're already making 40-50% on it so far? I don't care what it does next year. We just made